everybody, how are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Thank you for tuning in today. This is Ogonwadi. Thank you for joining me today in my kitchen. So today, guys, I have a recipe I would like to show you guys. It's a bread recipe. It's a regular bread, but where I come from, we call it Agege Bread because of the thickness, the sweetness, and the height is very thick. You know, when you eat it, you're not going to be hungry for a very long time. All right, so let me show you what we're going to be needing for this. Right here, I have my bread flour. Guys, if you don't have bread flour, never mind. Go ahead and use the all-purpose flour. It's the same thing, just a little bit difference in protein. So I'm going to be needing 6 cups of my bread flour, and I'm going to be using unsalted butter, 200 grams, which is 2 sticks of it. I have 1 cup of my sugar. Use any sweetener you like, but for this recipe, believe me, the best is the baking sugar. All right, a cup of it. Adjust your sweetness the way you want. And this is ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C. I'm going to be adding 1 of it for that, you know, to trap all the air in the flour, so to make it thick and big and high. This is instant yeast. If you have dry active yeast, go ahead and use that. You just have to prove it, but this is instant. I don't need to do much with this. Now, this is the type of bread pan we use for this. You see how tall, and let me say, you see how it is, and then it has this cover that really helps with it. You see that all you have to do is grease it with your butter or the sunflower oil or probably vegetable oil, and that's it. And you're going to be needing a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And this is also optional, eggs. You can skip it or you can add it. I'm adding it for more protein. All right, so basically that's it. And you need your rolling pin, and where you're gonna need your bread. All right, so let's go do this. It's 20 minutes. Oh guys, using the hand was way much better than the rolling pin, but still. So you see, I already greased my pan, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my pan. So that's it. I'm gonna let it sit for 2 hours. And then guys, it's actually 2 hours it stayed. So I'm gonna just go ahead. You see, it's well risen. I don't want to open this one. I would need it to be really dense. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for 365 degrees. Yes, I'm gonna put it in the oven for like 45 to 50 minutes. All right, stay tuned. It's 50 minutes. If you want it kind of whitish in color, make it only I'm gonna say 35 to 40 minutes. If you don't want it this golden. I like bread like this a lot. When I go to the store, I tend to look for bread that has this color. That's just a preference. But if you want it to be like, you know, that whitish color, 30 minutes should be fine. 30 to 35 minutes, that's perfect for you. Okay, this is our Agege bread. I'm going to try right now to bring it out of this super hot pan. Just slide it and it comes out. It is super hot. I'm gonna try my best to. All right, yay, we did it. Look at that Agege bread, guys. It's kind of hot. You're gonna have to allow it to cool like 10 minutes before I cut it. Anything you bake, give it at least 10 minutes to cool before you start slicing, okay? Very nice. Exactly like Agege bread. Guys, go ahead, challenge yourself and make this bread. You will really love it. You know, I got the bread pan from Amazon.com. I think for like $20 or so. you could go ahead and buy it and challenge yourself in making this. I challenged myself to make this. And now you see the result came out good. Anyway, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't, and if you have, keep coming back. God bless you so much. Like this video, share this video, leave me a comment. I like to read from you. Follow me on my Instagram handle, Ogonwadi, one word, Ogonwadi, Ogonwadi, and on my Facebook page, Ogo space Wadi, the same thing like the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a pleasant day. Stay safe, stay blessed.